Alright, this is going to be the first start attempt of the Simplicity 7790. I don't know what year it is yet, haven't gotten that far to figuring it out. Little backstory, when I bought the tractor, well, not when I shouldn't really say it, put it that way, but when I got the tractor, it would try and run, but it wouldn't stay running. I was told that if you crack the pressure lines on the nozzles, it would kind of sort of stay running, so I don't know what is going on. We're just going to see what happens here.